Luminous Power Technologies has a wide range of innovative products in power backup, home electrical, and solar spaces. Our vision is to create customer delight through innovation and passion. We have a 4C digital strategy in place, which is connected people, connected products, connected processes, and connected plants. Microsoft and SAP are core digital technology partners for us. They really are pillars for our digital strategy. A lot of solutions have been developed and deployed using these two technologies. Rise with SAP on Microsoft Azure brings both long-term technology partners together under the same SLA, operations, technology support, and foundation on which Luminous can really help in creating digital value adds. As a CIO, I am working on building our focus on differentiators for Luminous rather than just keeping the lighting on. Rise with SAP on Microsoft Azure has really given us a lot of peace of mind because now we have a single contract to manage both SAP S4HANA and hyperscaler like Azure, and it has helped us in easing our technology complexities and obviously vendor management, and it has given us those uptimes which were really required by the business. Now with this digital core available to us, our time to market for our schemes or reaching our customers has improved tremendously. We are really able to create a differentiator with our competitors. On top of it, we are getting SAP BTP platform integrated with Azure to develop a lot of innovative solutions. We are probably one of the few companies in the world making bots based on BTP which are integrated with Microsoft Teams. We are really proud of that achievement. Salesbot has really changed the way we were working. What we have done is now real time during any call or meeting, the salesperson can directly get within Microsoft Teams any information which is required for his day-to-day working. This has created a lot of operational efficiency because now the data is coming in real time using a BTP platform right from SAP. We can integrate multiple systems on BTP integration platform, and all of them can be managed right from your Microsoft Teams chat window. So that is a beauty whereby we are able to create a solution for our customers, our employees, our sales teams, and now we are planning to integrate our business ops dashboards also on Microsoft Teams using this framework. Rise with SAP on Microsoft Azure platform has really helped us in creating a digital platform where we can innovate, integrate, and extend our capabilities not only on cloud but on hybrid platforms. So we're really delighted. Now we have a platform where we can have best of both worlds. I think that is where Rise with SAP on Microsoft Azure has really helped us in taking our digital journey forward.
Find out how SAP and Microsoft technologies can help your business succeed at sap.com/Microsoft or microsoft.com/SAP. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for the latest disruptive innovations and transformative insights from theneweconomy.com.